First, you might have noticed that you cannot use delay nodes inside the UObject blueprint. The main issue is that UObject classes do not have access to the world game object by default, which is required to use delay nodes and timers. We need to create a base C++ class for our project. As a good practice, I recommend you to name blueprint files in a different way than the C++ classes. After creating the class, you might get a compiling error, which is fine. Just check the header inclusion in the CPP file and be sure to reverse the header file in the same folder as the CPP. Now the coding starts. In the header file, you need to override the GetWorld method of the class. In the CPP file, we must implement the function header. Also, be sure to make the class visible in blueprints by annotating it with blueprintable and blueprint type. After compiling the project, you can now use the header file in your blueprints. You can reparent the old object blueprint to the fresh created C++ class, or you can create a new object blueprint based on the C++ header file. You can now create your objects and test the functions using the game mode and game instance classes.